test. Alright, here's a demo of my record shelf system. This is the browser-based portion. So here on my computer you can see this little web interface I've got going that has a list of all of my records. I can scroll through this and let's go through and search for a Beach Boys Pet Sounds. Click it up. Light's blinking over there. Come in here and reach in, and it's not in order, but there you go. Pet Sounds, close enough. So I can select a record, and the LED next to the record blinks indicating its position. I have controls to test it, so I can bring up all these RGB LEDs in full white just to make sure they're working, and then I can clear them out and continue selecting records. So I'm going to clear that out. That wraps up the computer portion. So this is the portion where I control the lights with my iPad. So I have this custom TouchOSC interface that I made with the TouchOSC app, and there's a Raspberry Pi that has a OSC server running on it, and so it allows these two to communicate. So I got these color sliders that allow me to pick what color I want to work with. I'll send them all up to make it full white, and then I just select a box that I want to light up, and it lights up when I touch it. And I can do this for any of the individual boxes that I have. I can also change the colors, so now we got green. I also have a couple effects built in. So this effect is individual pixels being lit up, just fading from one to another, a random pixel at a time. And I have a speed control for that, so I can speed it up. There we go. Or we can do an individual box at a time, also with speed control. I should be able to control that live, yeah. So there you see it slowing down, speeding back up. You also have live control of the color. I put this in here, but this is just a kind of a example script that came with the Fadecandy software. That came with my Fadecandy board that's powering these Neopixels. So I didn't actually write this code, but I went ahead and attached it to this iPad thing so I could show off these cool color scrolling effects. Another cool thing that I have with this system is the ability to kind of write presets. So I can, well, there's an old preset, but here's a new blank preset. I paint all of these guys blue, and then I paint them all green. I can even do, let's say, half red and half blue. And last one we'll make multicolored. So now I have those 4 presets stored on these 4 buttons, and I can scroll through those presets automatically. Way too fast, let's slow it down. There you go, you see it scrolling through those 4 presets that I just built. I can cancel that at any time, or I can just temporarily hold it. Pretty cool stuff.